The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for Highland, Virginia, Grant, West Virginia, and Pendleton, West Virginia, beginning at 6:59 p.m. January 6, 2022, and ending at 3:29 p.m. January 7, 2022. What for the winter storm warning? Heavy snow. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 10 inches, with localized amounts up to 12 inches. Winds gusting as high as 35 miles per hour. For the wind chill advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero. Where? In Virginia, western Highland County, in West Virginia, western Grant, and western Pendleton counties. When? For the winter storm warning, until 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. For the wind chill advisory, from 3 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. Additional details. Snow may fall at 1 inch or greater per hour later this evening. Visibility will drop down to 1/4 mile or less during the heaviest snow. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves when venturing outside. Watch your first few steps taken on steps, sidewalks, and driveways, which could be icy and slippery, increasing your risk of a fall and injury.
This has been a test or message from the Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned to this station for important emergency information when the need arises on WJON IP radio.